Good morning, class. Today's topic is cell division. Cell division is the process by which a parent cell divides into two or more daughter cells. Parent cell and daughter cell. What are these cells? Parent cell is the original cell which divides and form new cells. The new cells which are formed are called as daughter cells. Cell division means the formation of new cells for the body. Why cell division is required? What is the need of cell division? It is required for growth and repair. आपने ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि लास्ट ईयर से आपकी हाइट इंक्रीज हो गई. इसका मीनिंग है कि आपकी बॉडी में न्यू सेल्स बनी है. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट योर हाइट इज इंक्रीजिंग. सो दीज न्यू सेल्स आर फॉर्म्ड ड्यू टू सेल डिवीजन. समटाइम्स इट हैपन्स कि आपकी स्किन में कट हो जाता है, इंजरी हो जाती है और थोड़े दिन के बाद वहाँ पर नई स्किन आ जाती है. मीन्स सेल्स आर रिपेयर्ड. So this is due to cell division. Cell division is also required to produce gametes. Gametes are special cells which helps in reproduction. So these are the cells which are sex cells and they help in reproduction. There are two types of cell division. Mitosis cell division, which is responsible for growth and repair, and second is meiosis cell division, which produces gametes. Let's see these cell division one by one. First type of cell division is mitosis cell division. This kind of cell division occurs in all the organisms except viruses. You all know viruses do not have characteristics of living organisms. So except viruses, this kind of cell division occurs in all other organisms. This cell division creates body cells. जो body की normal cells हैं, which are required for growth or for repair purpose, all these cells are made by mitosis cell division. Exact copies of parent cells are formed. New cells which are formed, they are similar to their parent cells. Look at the diagram. This is parent cell containing 4 chromosomes. You all know chromosomes are present in the nucleus of the cell. And for every species, this number of chromosomes is fixed. Like for human beings, there are 23 pairs of chromosomes. So parent cell has chromosomes and first of all DNA replicates. Replicates means it doubles the number. DNA increase हो जाता है, double हो जाता है, and after that it splits up into 2 new cells. 2 daughter cells are formed and these cells have same the number of chromosomes as the parent cell has. Look at this diagram. 4 chromosomes were present in the parent cell and now again 4 chromosomes are present in both the daughter cells. So chromosome number remains the same. These are 2 diploid cells. What is the meaning of diploid? Diploid means the cell that contains 2 complete sets of chromosome. Means, for example, in human cell, 23 pairs of chromosomes are present. So in the daughter cell of human beings also 23 pairs of chromosomes are present. Chromosomes are paired. So in one cell 23 pairs as well as in second cell 23 pairs of chromosomes were present. Such a cell is called as diploid cell. It helps in repair, growth and development. ये आप पढ़ चुके हैं कि this kind of cell division helps in growth of the organism as well as development and repair also. Second type of cell division is meiosis cell division. This cell division takes place only in reproductive cells. Reproductive means the cells which take part in reproduction. Our body has simple cells which are present in the whole body, and second is special type of cells are present in reproductive cells. So in reproductive cells only this kind of cell division takes place. It involves two sets of division. Look at the diagram. This is parent cell. It contains 4 chromosomes. First of all DNA replicates, DNA replicate करेगा और paired, you can see that ये डबल हो जाता है DNA और पेयर बन जाते हैं 4 pairs. Then first division takes place and form 2 daughter cells. Again, one more step of cell division takes place and ultimately 4 daughter cells are formed. So you can say that 2 sets of division is there. In the previous case, in case of mitosis cell division, there was only one step, but here 2 sets of division takes place. Then daughter cells are different. जो ये डॉटर सेल्स बनेंगे ये डिफरेंट होंगे, पेरेंट सेल से अलग होंगे ये. 4 haploid cells are formed. You can see 4 cells are formed, but what is the meaning of haploid? Haploid means, look at the parent cell. Parent cell has 4 chromosomes, but this daughter cells have 2 chromosomes. So chromosome number reduced to half. For example, in human beings, original cell contains 23 pairs of chromosome. Now daughter cells each cell will have only 23 chromosome. Parent cell के पास थे 23 pairs, means 46. और daughter cell के पास होंगे each daughter cell will have only 23. 23, 23, 23 and 23. So they have half the number of chromosomes. Chromosome number original cell से half हो जाता है. Such type of cell is called as haploid cell. And this kind of cell division produces gametes. Gametes क्या होते हैं? Gametes are sex cells which participate in reproduction. For example, in human beings, sperms and ovum, they are the gametes. So as a result of meiosis cell division, gametes are formed.